what you want.
Let's see. How about a mocha?
Okay. So we'll take the small one for the moment
Okay.
because we have a small cup. Here's the string. So I don't know if you have.
Okay.
So you will see on the video.
Okay.
It's all about. But you, so the vinegar grinder, the water fell down. Okay. So you have the mix. So when the piston will go up, you know, they will put during that time the wiper, you know, set up to put the residue after the cycle. So look at that. Look the flavor. So you have a maximum. You know, look at that. So the extraction is maximum. So the bottle system run.
So second wise, it takes how many seconds?
About
50? 1 minute?
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah.
Okay.
So you could